you've clicked on your homeroom, it should pull up like this. And I want to stop for a second and thank Amber. She has this neat little tool that helps us blur out the student names so that it's FERPA friendly. So thank you, Amber. But then you've clicked on your name, and then you want to click on students. Once you click on students, then it's going to come up like this one. And you want to click all, so that way it will select all of your students down here. And then click report card export. Once you get to report card export, it's going to look just like this. And all you have to do is copy the student ID numbers and paste it onto your engagement chart, copy the student's last name, and copy it onto your engagement chart. All right, hope that answers your questions. And if you have any more, please let us know. Thanks.